afiate afi no encheba so nye nipa nyina na ekobeto wo mo behind the scenes na meka accident bi enura me pie so on the spot enti mpokura no aka na awatwi mienu ama ya wi afi ni mpo bibia betumi asi nanso sa ato wo nene beto wo kina ria mesrɛ wo yenhia wo National Theatre wate yenhia wo National Theatre de me de ne se ticket ne bo onye den 30 Ghana cedi pe ene tete cedi de num kokwa no pa ai bia won de etimi to saka ne abenkwan ba bia ye wei tete num koko ko beto koko no wato nkate no wato mereke eno nkwa 10 Ghana ansa na obepepa na odi ko sashim tete na asa mesrɛ wo afimu ne nyina wa bra ne yensere ne yanyi yani obetima to ticket no online star 714 star 003 star 3 hash 30 cedis no wato kwasinsi eba obeginam ene emanhene oginam wo be kampadu in fact bedwam team ni nyina ginam sister Sandy be a guy ginam maame boatima wo ginam tema kunkum ginam just ye nyina dukumi ena na sampofo je ye nyina ya bekenka lesson ansa ne adukuma wo stars na ba betwasini ama wani age wo nti ye hia nyambo ochina nwumre ewo eye National Theatre 5 ne abie pronato went ban to tickets no online ye bekuta bi o gate na no oba no wato na watena 7 na ye frase incoming aba power to the people ti waba ne na ese me nkɔ ne ho na de obo nkrata no me ma no akɔ aba kwazi bia boko
na nso e o de bro nye de owo mpa ka green
ze already na ebe nde kakakra
yes eno ide ya me ase se na da be na 15 yes na se tend be a pie bosumi ni mu
yes
abrochira nke bi mu age first half salary yes
se December no ya na
yes aye sure by next week there Ghana force bebre ebe nyoma katwia na udi na wo kai se January 2 months yes
fees tuya so wo
2 months in a month
yes 13th month this January ni mo ansa na January na year for na start
ye de mawa na they are 2 trim se 2.5 months akatwia in kitawo it was so chem
thank you
by 75.
Thank you.
Instead of the normal 31 days. Also divide the salary by 75 days.
Baby monsu 2 year, omunya 13th month salary.
Okay.
E wo Ghana ha.
Let's no betim the work ko. Be
say. Kwa do be 15
years.
Aha, na wa twen eyi no.
O mi say de bia do make say se me wo adwuma na me ma 13th month anka me ma de be on the 15th of January. Yes. Because the chrome you say o de nyina taso ma boys na ene ya kwa
be sane nyina enru first na sa.
At least 15th there. Umiana nia maneuver at least onya 13th ne soso e betim na ewura wo se February so nyame adom ni po hye de o je ne yo.
Oh yeah, say wo se January ne wa.
In fact 28 ne kura wa. Adwane kura wo mu. No say ke ba 20. So because they did kind to 2 months already.
January ni mu.
Oh January ni mu.
Yes.
So that's ko di kai o ye ne 20.
Na ka be shem.
Na ka ba be shem. At least a balance of best 10 days be. Na any o mia wani a o jale especially to aso ne namwa na o do sabo kakra. When we bounce na say man tin ko na wie but ni nyina ye.
Omo mbe che ade no so.
Nyambe che sma ka kire say o be che a chere ntem.
Na mfa ye ni so.
Scanner be ma me no na be ma me. Ontum. Fa ma ntem mfa nkoto ade ne ntem.
Thank you.
The free next week o mbe to ne mabo.
And a hampers then so.
Yes.
Yeah, train. We are fear to say, go hampers come.
Mfamra.
Na omo dia bre.
Tie
twa wo mo. Why? Multimedia.
Some dey my na so ye mabi mu.
Na dia dia ma na no na so yi bi akoche na no mo yi. Me ko ye se ma package na me so bi.
Mr. Moda mfamra ntem. Scans ebe ba bantem. Mobile money onye sa fe na kwesi. Tweme hia wa se mobile money. Send mobile money.
We dey party charges di free.
Your papa. Any 11 dey free. Never dey aka.
Number no so dada na.
Enu a.
Dada na. O dey be so ma so afa no fan street kokomle bu.
Nyankopon ya de mo china. Eye Openia Lotte Jacobs na yere birthday.
Okay.
Ma Mrs. Ari Mensa Lotte Jacobs. Enti ye wish no happy birthday in advance.
Okay.
Na no pay message Openia Lotte Jacobs send you na say yes.
Oye
fantini ampa.
Fantifo mama de woni mdodi o.
Oye fantini ampa.
Ewurade a. Fantifo mama.
Galote.
Omuni mdodi ankasa.
O tira ma kenkan ma wa na. Anopa tu say.
They say Fantifo mama. Omuni mdodi ankasa. Omoye ma ne ye fedodo.
Galote Jacobs.
Ah.
Ni say kamu na kamu wi mo say nuanom. Eso
say. Odo fenua ho. Wodo ne yere.
So Mrs. Arinesa Alote Jacobs, happy birthday in advance. Ukrusi odo.
Waka ho bi no okuna nyina che no.
Oh yes.
Ono wana ma be ma na nyina che.
So odo. So to 70 years.
Yes.
Uncle to 70. Uncle.
Uncle what ya there?
Tobacco online as when say from.
I said the one quarter.
The one John what did you
idea na ba.
Last minute when you mo ba be she. There's a president for that appointing no. So ko ye acting director general of SIGA. John Boadu, former general secretary. Ya omutu no Accra Sports Stadium.
Na no abatu e course no.
Say nyame na dom.
They say when bi
nyame tie no sufre.
Was some party
last minute
no. Anya bia 1 year na aka no.
Ya ka bia be bia no.
Abatu
o salary fantity. Okay. Ora John Boadu emfoni e wa Ghana for hwe no se odi adwumaden ne nkitisie. Ebe boase na bi abanyumako no. Ebegina na ko SIGA for adwuma say obehwa ma state owned enterprises no ebegina na so.
Okay.
Na ne ebo aban ka CEOs agi salary titridie no se beton aton ye begunu so ye gunu ko ye betimi afa so betimi revive no se betimi revive no ene ade Ghana for ehwe ne mu.
Okay.
Because obi ntimi nye CEO ma company na ebo ka na won ko so nye 45,000 50,000 a month. Osa ka fi be sa ko we no asa akoto na katwem.
Yes
enti
abra company na ebo ka
ene ye hwem se owura John Boadu ba wo bai oba be hwe ne yetimi asiesie ne nyina na ba bia tokotoko bia no watuatua na ECG fo a omode power producers ka
na so mutumi tomoto 200 e de ko chap post for
John Boadu hwehwe ne nyina
mu.
Yes ye nka se mo nya adoye
nyemo misplaced priority
o de car onye and an meti omsa 800 omsa de ache
ebia na obi na de be che ye
so
se Ghana de adoye de obi bia na World Bank na
say yisi fa kasa kra mrante ne so ba bebre kra nam fom
mo nam fom so mo pa boato awewe ne bag bia sensen o mo kon
Electricity Company of Ghana under Ora Mahama enye sika koto motorbikes close to about 1,000 you dey check Ghana police service
so mo di ka che 200
ba o de car ye nya kakabensem
sa
eye ade pa ade che de nyina ye twen bi but o de car enya kakabensem
mo pa ntoma kura wo hu asene mu
power producer CS o mtetem kwa no kakra bi ni
ya twen homa na fi
uzu ni uni power kakra wonya na be kwa akoto ka do sumi no
wo de ya do ye
ala easy ba ayo man body bi jobo
Ghana Gazaro.
Election 2024 easy to display results on website. Hold on, some Jemesa Efoni Ewaha. Insight from Bank of Ghana Governor unpacking pre-COVID stability and post-COVID crisis. Cannabis not we. MPs divided over legislation. Apostle Ebenezer Boy hit with another lawsuit. Hello World gives 60 computers to schools. Daily Guide. Ghanaian Times. Towards accident-free Yuletide, we will deal with reckless drivers, transport operators warn. Inflation falls to 26.4% in November. $200 million project to curb Accra perennial flooding takes off. Comes to the picture of Francis Asenso Boache. $600 million prestige project to enhance Kotoka International Airport skyline launched. Hey, Ghanaian Times. Daily Graphic. District level elections, over 66,000 vie for assembly unit committee slot. Ascent Central, we can feed nation with support constituents. Easy to upload pink sheet on online portal. 72,000. Hey, that's more. 72,000 acre Accra land judgment. Occupants won't be disposed. Council. Okay. That's la violation there. Production of textbooks, local publishers demand payment. Daily Graphic and Nigeria.
Yankwaya online portal NDC accepts to rejoin Inter-Party Advisory Committee IPAC and Obrasho. Woman in tears as paternity of infant is in limbo. OSP now has 249 professional staff on payroll. And no more complaining. Mr. Complainant. Minerals Commission CEO clashes with NDC Sami Jamfi after showcasing raw lithium in studio. How a fire officer reacted to an outbreak on live radio. Anyway, and someone who will be a call adomonline.com. Egu na obenya bi akenkan. Ebusia ye dan ye ho aba na kai se agwe kan se mu nsem beba sanso na ahosepe ebeba asɛm yi ebedika